Bless Squad, what's going on with y'all, man? It's your boy, Blessed Applesauce, here to bless y'all with another video here on Blessed to Invest. And here we go. This is CMEG. And today I just want to talk about just my first impressions on how I'm feeling about the broker so far. So I've been on this broker uses Dosh Trader. If anybody's familiar with Dosh Trader, it's a secondary platform that you can use to trade on your broker. So it uses Dosh Trader. So I'm very familiar with Dosh Trader. I've used it on SureTrader. I've used it on F1 Trade. I've used it on Centerpoint. But for today, I've decided to switch over to CMEG. So just my first impressions, it runs very smooth. The platform itself, I love the customer service. They're able to get back to you very quickly. Something like SureTrader and F1 Trader, which I was on before, the customer service was horrible. And I guess that's why they're shut down now, is because their customer service, it would take like 2 or 3 days for them to get back to you. But CMEG is very on point. They have their own phone number that you can call them at. And they also have an email where they get back to you very quickly. This is an offshore broker. So you're going to have to do international transfers, which makes sense when you're going international. So the process to sending your money over is kind of weird. I had Wells Fargo, so it wasn't too bad because there was a couple of videos out there on YouTube how to specifically do it with Wells Fargo. But it kind of feels weird because I had it fail a couple of times because I didn't put the right information in. But you just have to make sure you put all the routing information in, all the address incorrectly. And with the customer service, I was talking to them a lot. They were walking me through the process, making sure everything is good. So I really appreciate that about CMEG. But so far, the platform runs smooth. The website itself is really simple. It's probably one of the most simple brokers I've ever been on. They only have 4 different tabs that you can go into once you log in. You have your resource section where they answer all your questions. They have a platform where they show you your equity, your profits and your losses and stuff. And then they have like a tool section, and that's pretty much it. So it's beyond simple. If you're not going to get confused on there, because there's only 4 tabs you can go on when you hop on the website. But I appreciate that because it takes you to exactly what you need, what you're in there for, to trade. You're in there to trade, you're in there to execute your trades, and you don't really care about researching or understand. You could do that on like another site. So I appreciate that. It's there for what you want it for. The one downside so far, so I'm going to start trading on this platform tomorrow. Today, I'm getting everything set up. I'm trying to get it exactly how it was on my previous platform. So I'm looking at, if you look here, on my previous layout, I like having my level 2 right here, and then my time and sales, and then the bottom I have my level 2 time and sales. And then what I'll do, I'll have a Thinkorswim chart right there. So I'll have the stock I'm looking at, and then I'll have my level 2 time and sale, so I can execute my orders. I'll hit the buy and the sell. So that's how I like it. I'm trying to finish getting everything set up. I got to get my hotkeys all put together because I lost my hotkeys off my previous Dosh Trader. Like I don't know how I did that, but it would have been a lot easier if I could have just thrown all that saved data on there. But it is what it is. It's going to take me another hour or so to get everything set up how I wanted it to be set up. But the one downside that we are about to find out on this broker when I hop on here tomorrow is the commissions. So they charge you $3.95 for commissions. I got a discount on it, so it's going to be $2.95. But the commissions, I'm not a big fan of commissions. I'm used to trading on a broker that was only $1. So this is going to up it a little bit more, where it's going to be a couple bucks for commissions. It shouldn't be too bad. It is what it is. When you're playing on these Dosh Trader brokers, you get what you pay for. These are you're going to get quality execution. You're going to get quality trades. You're going to be the first one into the trade. So it makes sense. It's okay. You're going to pay $1 or $2 just to get in and out. But just to let you know, that's what you are going to pay. On top of that, they have a monthly fee, which is $115 per month. And they charge you at the end of the month. My other broker was $125 or so, something like that. So that's not a big change. It's not too bad. It's pretty much everything that I'm used to and consistent with. So it shouldn't be too much of a difference. It's just a change in brokers, a change in platforms, because the one I had did shut down. So we're going on to the new one. So I just wanted to document exactly my first experience, my first impressions. Everything looks good so far. I'm really liking, especially the customer service. This customer service, they way outdid themselves. They introduce themselves. They get back to you very quickly. That's just not something I'm used to being on the other platforms, man. I'm used to me being put on hold and everything, but A1 customer service. I love it. I love the customer service. The only people that I could say are better is maybe TD, because they give you like your own personal person you can call, and your own personal like branch you can go to. Really nice. I love that. But this is really the best you can do when you're getting something that's out of the country. So no complaints there. But I'm gonna keep y'all updated. Let me know down in the comment section below what you think about CMEG. Are you on the fence about CMEG? What's keeping you, holding you back from getting on CMEG? Let me know down in the comment section below. And I'm also gonna do like a review. If y'all want like a layout of the platform, because even though I've been on, this is my first day on here, I know the platform very well. This is the same platform I've been using for years, Dosh Trader. So if you want a layout of the platform, maybe like a review or something, let me know down in the comment section below. But that's gonna wrap it up. It's been your boy, Blessed Applesauce. Stay blessed, and I'm gonna see you next time on Blessed to Invest.
Just to see tomorrow is a blessing. Stay prayed up is the message. Everything about a nigga blessed. Everything about a nigga blessed.